How to create WeChat account. So for this, first and foremost, open your Play Store or your App Store and search for WeChat. Now, install the WeChat application and wait for it to be installed. Tap open once the application is installed. And then you have to allow the permission it asks for. Now tap on sign up. Now you have two options. I'll be selecting the phone number. Here you have to write your name, your country, your phone and password. So once you do that, what you have to do next is you have to tap on I have read and accept the above terms and then tap on next. Now for the security verification, go ahead and solve the puzzle and then tap on next. On to the next step. Now you have to enter the code sent to your phone number. Then tap on OK to find your friends. And you have to allow further permissions. Then once you do that, you have to join in the channel of WeChat. For that, make sure that you have toggled all of these three and then tap on next. Tap on agree and enable. And just like that, your WeChat service is enabled. Now, enjoy your WeChat application and connect with your friends and family. I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.